Hello, I'm Emilio Dadulia, and together with Miss Janeline Magsambol, Mr. Glenn Rans Mascolino, and Mr. Patrick Oliver Olanday, we are Group KANGKOBG. Today, we present our project CarePop, a healthcare platform for online appointment and scheduling, AI-assisted health assessment, and medicine inventory management. So, for our first slide, the background of the study. The Philippines still faces major healthcare gaps, especially in sexual and reproductive health for poor and marginalized communities. To help address this, we developed CarePop, a digital platform that provides accessible S- SRH information and easier clinic navigation for Filipinos in urban areas like Quezon City. Our main objective is to develop an AI-assisted healthcare platform that gives personalized health recommendations, track users' well-being, record their medication intake, and send reminders for medicines and doctor's appointment. So here are the system features. AI-assisted health monitoring system for natural language processing and rule-based evaluation. Online booking and schedule system for row level and application level encryption. Web-based inventory system for medicine testing kits and clinic supplies. Location-based clinic finder integrated within FPAP. And lastly, system evaluation following the FURPS model.
So moving on, for the review of related literature, Zheng et al. Shows how AI tools can help with remote health monitoring. This relates to CarePack because we also plan for use to use AI for real-time health tracking. With this, doctors in Quezon City can easily check patients' blood pressure, glucose level, and medication reminders even from far away. Next. Ganley et al. 2021 talks about improving access to family planning, especially for underserved communities. This supports CarePop's goal of making reproductive health services easier to reach. The platform can help people in urban slums and other areas. This study also highlights the need for safe, private, and culturally sensitive health services, which CarePop aims to provide. Next. So for Aderoba 2023 explains that task sharing can make family services faster and more accessible. Their findings fit CarePup because we combine online consultations with support from local health workers. This helps lessen the workload of specialists and allow nurses or health educators to give family planning services through telemedicine or mobile consultations. So this is the use case diagram for web. This diagrams shows how users interact with the CarePop web platform. Patients can create accounts, book or cancel appointments, and view their appointment history. Doctors can update their schedules and check their appointments. Admins can manage clinic details, reports, inventories, and appointment confirmations. This shows really how each user has a role in making the system work smooth.
Here we have the entity relationship diagram for the CarePop system. It outlines the database structure with key entities like user, which are the patients, doctors, and admins. Then health assessment, appointment, inventory, clinic, and report. It shows how these entities interrelate through attributes and foreign keys to support core functionalities such as user management, health tracking, appointment scheduling, and inventory control. This design ensures data integrity and efficient system operations by clearly defining relationships between entities. Then here we have the system development, which we will be using the Scrum process. So the product owner is responsible for maximizing the value of the system developed by the team. In this study, KANGKOBG served as the product owner overseeing the development of CarePop system. Then we have the team. The Scrum team approved by the organization is responsible for the system development. The team consists of developer, analyst, tester, and designer who collaborate to meet the needs of Family Planning Organization of the Philippines, which is the client. Their collective efforts ensure the system's efficiency and effectiveness. For this project, the proponents of the study make up the Scrum team. Then we have the master. The Scrum Master acts as a servant leader, guiding the Scrum team and facilitating interaction with external stakeholders. They are responsible for ensuring adherence to Scrum principles and supporting the team's progress. They oversee necessary adjustments throughout development. In this study, the Scrum Master serves as both the project manager and mentor. Then we have the list of software requirement for web development, followed by um, the hardware requirements for development.
Alright everyone, so welcome to the next part of this presentation of our project KarePop. I'm actually one of the I'm actually one of the members of our group who co-developed this platform. So let's move on to the last part of the presentation for the Webflow. So this right here, right in front of you, everyone, is the Clinic Finder. So this this um this part of the website this part of the website allows the user to find nearby FPOP clinics because our project was um, mostly focused on FPOPs. So enter your location, or you could tap the Find Near Me and Sort button. Then it would basically suggest clinics nearby your place. For example, FPOP Cubao NCR chapter. All right, you can proceed on to the next part of the project, which is mm, um, the mobile website. So let us go to the first. So let's go to the landing page. This is what the user will be greeted in upon opening our mobile application, the landing page. We can landing page, and I can demonstrate to you the landing page of the mobile application. Next part is where users can sign into their accounts for the website, or register their account register an account for the website. Of course, if they don't have yet an account, they could simply create an account, or if they already do have one, they could just simply sign in with their account and profile, as you can see here. Next is the profile, where users can view their information about their accounts, such as their personal information, their contact information, and address, and etc. Next is the dashboard. So once they already created an account, they can already access the dashboard, and with the loading page with our associated logo and our motif of pink. Sure, why is that a pink motif? So you could see the blood pressure checkup, the schedule of an appointment, for example, blood pressure checkup of a certain patient, example, Allegra. Health buddies were this is where uh, the AI usage of the next is the health buddy, wherein they could track their pills, track their menstrual cycle, and log in their comorbidities, keep track of their allergies and blood pressure. They can keep all of logs this. The system keeps log for this, and this is where our artificial intelligence aspect comes in. Example, um, example such a pill tracker and the demonstrated use of the menstrual cycle check. And last but not least, booking service. So this is where the user can select their flexible time that they can allow themselves to have a appointment with a certain FPOP clinic, for example. Um, yeah, users could basically set appointments, and the system. I'm not sure if and the system or the doctors in charge would try to confirm it. And once it's confirmed, um, sorry, let's just try it again. This is where the user would make an appointment to a certain FPOP clinic. They can select a service and select a certain date and time, the calendar and the times and the available time slot. Then, of course, and the system would give the user confirmation, and then and if that schedule works for them, they could just basically confirm it. And they just need to wait for a certain um, doctor that's available within that time period. All right, so that's it for slides 14 and 20 of this presentation of our website, CarePop.